Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you if you copy any text from any website and paste into the email, the default formatting source of website will remain as it is. I have opened this site. I will copy this text. Once I paste into my mail application, it will appear as it is, the way it was on the website. There is another way to paste on the mail to keep the mail format. So we will long press on the empty email body and then we will tap on this arrow, and here we will look for option called paste and match style. So what it will does, it will paste and match the style of our email formatting. So I just paste the text with match style and it gives me the same format of my new email. So this way you can easily paste the text as per your application default format. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.